Hello everyone, I'm David. Welcome to this tutorial on assembling the 270 awnings. Today, I want to share with you some practical tips and insights about the 270 awning, hoping to help you better use it. Next, I will demonstrate how to use the 270 awning. Let's get started. Step 1. Install the L-shaped brackets onto the roof rack of your vehicle. Step 2. Install the screws into the slide tracks on the back bot and fix it onto the L-shaped brackets. Step 3. Open the awning and secure it with the guy ropes. Step 4. Adjust the height of the support legs by removing them from the support arms and supporting the awning body. Step 5. Install the support feet outside of the support arms. Okay, now that the installation is complete, let's take a closer look at some of the details of the product. The back bot, hinges, and double pole support arms of the 270 awning are all made of sprayed aluminum alloy, which is sturdy and durable. Additionally, the support arms are reinforced with custom logo-capable strengthening plates. The short support feet can prevent the accumulation of rainwater. In a dark environment, the light strip illuminates. We have upgraded the lighting system and other components